So, to start off with, I found out that I can't wait 2 full weeks to get my plant transplanted. I have it over here. It's grown quite large, and I showed it to somebody, and they're starting to realize, or they're telling me that it's getting a little bit yellow on some of the tips. So I need to transplant it because there's not enough nutrients. So, to start off with, I've basically cleaned all these buckets. I know there's some sort of solutions that you can buy to clean these things, but I was told to keep it basic, so I went to vinegar, baking soda, and then I just did a whole cleanse of just water. So yeah, I did that with my tube down there, and then all 3 of these buckets. I'm only using 2 of these buckets, but the third bucket, the one on the far right here, that one's just basically for mixing all the nutrients, making sure everything's good before I actually put it into this last bucket right here. And then I'll start. So I'll start mixing. So I have everything kind of set up. I got everything put together over here in the grow tent, and I'm about to mix the nutrients. I got my nutrients right here. Basically, I've taken a grow chart from a few different places, and I kind of made my own, but trying to keep all the ppm as close as possible for all the nutrients to what they all have. So basically, to start off with for this week, we're going to be doing, it's supposed to be 4 gallons, not 8. So in that case, everything's going to be halved. So it's going to be 2.5 mils of each thing. I'm going to mix it into this Nalgene bottle first. Basically, I'm not going to put them all together. I'm going to do one at a time, mix it, try to mix it all together really well, and then I'm going to dump it into my bucket right here, and I'm going to continue to do that. And then I'll fill up the water up to 4 gallons where it needs to be. So I'll do that, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so I've mixed all the nutrients in with 4 gallons of water. I'm aerating it right now, and I'm basically just recirculating it through the entire system into this empty pot right now. So yeah, I've done the pH test on it. It's sitting at about 5.8, 6.0. I guess the best thing you can do for pH is between 5.5 and 6.5. That's what I was told. So I'm using this stuff called pH down, because I definitely don't need anything to go up here. I just need stuff to go down. So I brought it down, and it seems like it's doing pretty good. My next move, what I'm going to do, is I'm going to let this, like I said, recirculate for probably a good 45 minutes. In that meantime, I'm going to take some of those hydrogen balls, and I'm going to let them soak just in some regular water. When I'm ready to transplant, I'll put the hydrogen balls in here. I'll do a layer on the bottom, and then I'll put the plant on top, and then I'll layer the rest with hydrogen balls, basically burying it. Right. So what I've done is I've taken about 1 layer of these hydrogen, and I put them on the bottom. I then put the rapid rooter right on top of them, and then basically filled the rest of the bowl with these hydrogen. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. This will be basically